Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I was actually really prepared this time. Sometimes I'm just like, but this time I was actually pretty prepared. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got at CVS. Now, as you guys know, I do have two cards. Now, I do not try to abuse the system. I don't always try to get the same deals. I just have two cards because I like to show you guys various scenarios. I know majority of you guys have it. Some of you guys say that your stores won't let you do it. I say have one and then go to a different store if you can, or just come back a different day and do a different deal. But that's how I kind of do it. And then how I organize it when I write down my breakdowns is I write new, old, because I know it's my new card and I know it's my old card. The reason why I started a new card is because for a while there, like 2 years ago, I wasn't getting anything for ECBs or CRTs, nothing. So I ended up just getting, an extra card because I wanted to build up that stuff and then cancel my other one. But then my other one started getting good deals. Now both of my cards still gets different deals from time to time, so that is the reason why I have two cards. And I know majority of you guys do, like 85% of you do, and I'm sorry if you guys don't. I just try to share with you guys as much as you want. The store does allow me to use two different cards, and most people's stores do, but I don't try to do it to abuse it. First deal I got with one of my cards was the Kotex deal. Now these were $1.79. They're on sale for buy one get one 50% off. You cannot use any coupons for these because it's under the limit, but you guys would pay $2.68 for these, but then you guys will get a $2 ECB extra care buck back, making them 68 cents. That's just 34 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. It's always nice to have feminine products, and I always like getting feminine products to use for myself or to give them to the schools. But then with my other card, I ended up doing the other Kotex deal. I got some different liners. These were $4.79. They're buy one get one 50% off. I did use two $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. I also had a $1 off a 6 CRT that I used. So you would pay $4.18 for these, but you guys would get a $2 extra care buck back, making them $2.18. Not the greatest deal, but you know what? They're still good. It just depends on what you guys want to do with that. Now, with one card, I ended up getting the Ludens because I am sicker than a dog, and I love Ludens. So the Ludens were $2.49 for these. They're buy one, get one 50% off. I used a 75-cent off a 2 coupon that we got in this inserts. Otherwise, if you guys cannot use that coupon, there is a coupon that you guys can print off the Ludens website. Now, if you guys are having a hard time finding any coupons, just go to Lazo.com. And you guys can just type in Ludens and it'll take you directly to that website. So just helping you guys with that. But you guys would pay $2.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $3 extra care buck back, making them absolutely free. A 2-cent moneymaker, which I love them. I love Ludens. I like Ludens. I prefer Ludens over Halls. But then with my other card, it's either those or these. It just depends on what you guys want to do. But with my other card, I did the Summer's Eves. Now, these were $3.59. I used a $1.50 off a 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. You guys would pay $3.88 for these. You guys can also use a printable coupon from the Summer Eves website. Again, if you go to their website or just type in Lazo and it'll take you directly to the site. But you guys would pay $3.88 for this. You guys will get a $3 extra care buck back, making these just 88 cents or 44 cents a piece. So in case you guys need to get those, definitely do that. Now that water feels so good on my throat. Now the next deal we got is the Gillette razors. These were $9.99. I used two $4 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. I lost my spot. You guys also want to use a 5 off of 20 any shave CRT. If you have that, you would pay $6.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get an $8 extra care buck back, making it a $1.02 moneymaker. And that's one thing I absolutely love, is getting razors for free plus making a profit. So, and those coupons I did have problems for. I read it, she read it, we both agreed that those coupons work. I always have problems with that $4 off coupon everywhere. It's just crazy. And then I got this Crest mouthwash. Now, this was $4.99. I used a $1 off coupon that we got in today's inserts from the P&G. I also had a 3 off of whitening. And she's like, you know, you're giving me 3 off whitening CRT. And I says, yes, because technically it is a whitening mouthwash. And she's like, okay. And I says, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I just wanted to try it, and it did work. So if you guys have that $3 off CRT, definitely use that. But I paid 99 cents for this, but then you guys will get a $2 ECB back, making it a $1.01 moneymaker. So I absolutely love it when you guys can do that. I did the OralB toothbrushes. Now these were $5.19 at my store. I used a $1 off coupon. You would pay $4.19 for this, but then you guys will get a $3 extra care buck back, making it a $1.19. Now I always say $1 is the best way to go, but $1.19 for 2 of them is a pretty good deal. So sharing you guys that deal in case you want to do that. I did the Revlon Candid concealer. So this was $9.99. I used a $5 off face coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. I also used the $4 coupon that's printed from the red machine. So I paid 99 cents for this, but then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck back, making it a $3.01 moneymaker. So if you guys want to do that, go for that. With my other card, I did the Revlon lip balm. Now these were $5.49 at my store. I like Walgreens, they're cheaper, but these were $5.49. I bought 2 of them. I used that buy one get one free coupon, so it did take off $5.49. I used that $4 off CRT that we got from the red machine. I paid $1.49 for this, but then you guys will get $4 back, making it a $2.51 moneymaker. So that is a great deal if you guys need to do that. Now the candy is 3 for $3. I used that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from last week. So you guys would pay $2 for that. It wasn't a coupon, it was a regular Revlon, not Revlon. It was a CRT that was printed from the machine. But you guys would pay $2 for this, but then you guys will get a $1 back in an extra care buck, making it $1 or just 33 cents, which I absolutely like. I need a drink. My throat is so congested, it's crazy. Now I ended up doing this Maybelline deal. Now this deal might be not the deal for you, but I have so much Maybelline eyeshadow, I wanted to do something different. Now I did get $1 back from Saving Star for this last week. I wasn't sure, but it did show up. But this was $4.19 and this was $5.99. I used $1 off coupon for this, and I used a $2 off coupon for that. On my screen I look really dark, but when I go back and play this video I will be a normal color. It's just with the sunlight. But then I also had a $2 off CRT that I got from last week that I used. So I paid $5.18 for the both of these. But then I got $5 back in an extra care buck, making it 18 cents or just 9 cents a piece, which I think is a great, great deal if you guys want to do that. I did the paparazzi deal because I feel like this deal has been going on all the time. Now somebody's like, oh, did it reset? These deals don't reset. It's just a brand new week. It's a brand new deal. I cannot find the second one all of a sudden. It's like, it's in here. But anyways, I did the paparazzi. Now these were 2 for $5. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $5 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck, making it $1 or 50 cents for those. So I really like that. I don't know why I can't find it, but anyways, I got here it is. Here it is. So I ended up doing the Pantene, and I was excited to get the 3-Minute Miracle, but these were 3 for $12. I ended up buying 6 of them, and I used 2 5 off of 3 coupons that we got in today's P&G. I also had a 4 off of 18 any shampoo and conditioner, so I ended up paying $10 for 6 of these, but then I got a $5 extra care buck, making them $5 or just 83 cents a piece. That's not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys some deals. So I ended up getting 2 of these golden bottles, and then I got 4 of these. So there was that. So that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. My total came to $1.53 for everything that I paid out of pocket. I ended up using $56 back. I ended up using $56 of register rewards, but I did receive $48 back. I ended up using, or I will probably get about $3 to $9 back for beauty, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But $9.53 for everything, I think that's a pretty good deal. I got 29 items. That's just 32 cents a piece for everything, so I was pretty excited for that. Everything went by smoothly. I only did 2 transactions, 1 for each card, and everything went by smoothly. So if you guys enjoyed my CVS haul, please give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.